Hello students. Now third exercise. Before two Romans completed. Now third Roman. Find the quadratic polynomial for zeros alpha beta given in each case. They given alpha beta. Alpha equal to 2, beta equal to minus 1. Quadratic polynomial. So what is general form of quadratic polynomial? K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. They given two zeros. Before in second Roman they given sum of zeros, product of zeros. Find quadratic polynomial. Now two zeros given, alpha, beta. Find quadratic polynomial. Find quadratic polynomial. Given that, so required quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. In that quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, here a not equal to 0 and its zeros alpha and beta. Then alpha equal to 2, beta equal to minus 1. For that alpha equal to 2, beta equal to minus 1. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta. 2 plus of minus 1. 2 plus of minus 1 equal to plus into minus minus. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Next, product of zeros. Product of zeros. Alpha beta equal to 2 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. For that, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here k is any constant. Here k is any constant. Now x square minus alpha plus beta means 1 into x plus alpha beta minus 2. Here k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal, that implies k into x square 1 into x, x minus x, here plus into minus minus, minus 2. Here k is any constant. Now required quadratic polynomial is x square minus x minus 2. Here k is any constant, k equal to 1. Then required quadratic polynomial equal to x square minus x minus 2. Second one, root 2, root 3 minus root 3. Root 3 minus root 3. Required quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. There a not equal to 0. Its two roots, alpha equal to root 3. Now alpha equal to root 3. Beta equal to minus root 3. Now sum of zeros, alpha plus beta equal to root 3 plus minus root 3. Alpha plus beta. Here root 3 plus into minus minus root 3. Plus root 3 minus root 3. We get 0. Sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to 0. Next alpha beta. Root 3 into minus root 3. Here root a into root a, we get a. Minus root 3 into root 3, minus 3. Alpha beta equal to minus 3. Now quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here k is any constant. K into x square minus alpha plus beta means 0 into x plus alpha beta means minus 3. Now k into x square minus 0 into x 0. Here plus into minus minus 3. X square minus 3. Here k is any constant, then k equal to 1. Now k is 1. 1 into x square minus 3. So required quadratic polynomial is x square minus 3. This is answer. X square minus 3. Required quadratic polynomial. Third one, 1 by 4 minus 1. Means alpha equal to 1 by 4. Beta equal to minus 1. For that, required quadratic polynomial. Required quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. Here a not equal to 0 and 2 zeros and its zeros be alpha beta. When alpha beta two roots of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. For that, required quadratic polynomial alpha equal to 1 by 4, beta equal to minus 1. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 4 plus of minus 1. Here 1 by 4, here plus into minus, minus 1. 4 ones 4. 1 minus 4 by 4. 1 minus 4 we get minus 3 equal to minus 3 by 4 alpha plus beta. Next alpha beta equal to 1 by 4 into minus 1. Alpha into beta. Here minus 1 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Sum of the zeros, product of the zeros. Now required quadratic polynomial k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is formula for finding quadratic polynomial. The given sum of the zeros, product of zeros, required quadratic polynomial x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here k is any constant. Here k into x square minus alpha plus beta means minus 3 by 4 into x plus alpha beta minus 1 by 4. Here k into x square, here minus into minus plus 3 by 4x plus into minus minus 1 by 4. Here 4 is LCM. Take LCM of 4. 4x square plus 3x minus 1 by 4. Here k. Here k is there. Then k is any constant. K equal to now 4. Denominator 4 is there. K is any constant. Then here 4. 4, 4 get cancelled. Required quadratic polynomial. Then required quadratic polynomial 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Here 4 k get cancelled. Replacing k by 4. 4 4 get cancelled. Finally 4x square plus 3x minus 1 is required quadratic polynomial. Fourth one, 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Given that alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta equal to 3 by 2. Find quadratic polynomial. In that quadratic polynomial, alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here 2 LCM, 1 plus 3 by 2 equal to 4 by 2. Here 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, 2. Sum of the zeros, 2. Next, alpha, beta. Product of zeros, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Here 1 3s, 3 by 2 2s, 4. 3 by 4, product of zeros. Sum of zeros 2, product of zeros 3 by 4. Required quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. When two zeros alpha beta, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is formula for finding quadratic polynomial. K into x square minus alpha plus beta means 2 into x plus alpha beta 3 by 4. Alpha beta 3 by 4. K into x square, here 2 into x, 2x minus 2x plus 3 by 4. Here 4 take LCM, 4x square minus 4 2's 8x plus 3 by 4. Here k into 4x square minus 8x plus 3 by 4. Here k is any constant, then denominator 4 is there, suitable for k value 4. Now 4 get cancelled, finally required quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, required quadratic polynomial equal to 4x square minus 8x plus 3. 4x square minus 8x plus 3. This is answer.